In today's video, I'll teach you how to remove pronouns on your Instagram profile. First of all, launch open Instagram. You can see over here Instagram has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. So if you want to remove your pronouns, what you have to do is go to your profile interface. For that, tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. You can see over here you'll be led to your profile interface. So if you want to remove your pronouns, what you have to do is tap on this option, edit profile, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to edit your profile informations. You'll be able to see various options over here. At third, you'll be able to find this option for pronouns. So what you have to do is tap on it. You can see over here right now the pronouns are added. If you want to remove the pronouns, what you have to do is simply tap on the cross icon right next to the pronoun that you would like to remove. Likewise, follow the same process for other pronouns as well. Now tap on the right icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now after you do that, you can see over here your pronouns will be removed. So that is how you remove pronouns on your Instagram profile. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.